I'm going. Good morning, class. Hope you all are doing well. Yes, class, we are learning chapter 11 dealing with emergencies. Okay, so many emergencies are there. It can be accidental emergencies or any other emergencies. So, how to deal with the emergencies? We will learn about the emergency dealing with emergencies in this chapter. In previous chapter, we have learned about first aids. So different type of first aids are there. First aid for burns. So you should apply ointment or spray on the burnt area. Wash the burnt area under cold running water. The second type of burn can be burn from chemicals. Burn from chemicals. To wash the burnt area thoroughly with water and dignity. Okay. If burn is severe, call a doctor. Next type of first aid is first aid for cutted wounds. What should what to do in case of cutted wounds? Cut and wound provide the easiest route through which germs can enter to the body. So clean the wound with the water and an antiseptic solution like Dettol and Savlon. Apply some antibiotics ointment and then cover it with a bandage. The first aid for nose bleeding. Nose bleeding is very common during the hot and dry days. The bleeding is coming from the nose. This happens when the tubes carrying blood inside the nose burst. So what to do? Ask the person to sit straight with the head and tilted back. Okay? Put your head in a backward direction. Ask the person to breathe through its mouth, not to blow his nose. In case of heavy bleeding, call a doctor. Then first aid for electric shock. What to do? The first step is to switch off source of current or move the person using wooden stick. Do not touch that person. Take a wooden stick and remove the person from the source of current. Attend the victim and check for breathing. If the person is not breathing, call for emergency medical aid. So there are some emergency helpline. Emergency helpline. What are the emergency helpline numbers? Emergency number for police 100 fire brigade 101, and for ambulance it is 102. But in our Haryana, there is one new number is there 112. Okay, that 112 is also emergency number for police assistant. Okay, student. So now first aid for sprain. First aid for sprain. Okay, open page number 131. First aid for sprains. Sprain is the tearing, overstretching of muscle. As student, we have discussed about muscles, tendons, and joint in which chapter? Skeletal system. Skeletal system. In term 1, we have discussed about it. Skeletal system. What are muscles? What are tendons? Or what are joint? If there is a tearing or overstretching of muscles or tendons or joint, that condition is known as sprain. We will have some pain. अगर मसल्स में या टेंडेंस या जॉइंट में कोई खिंचाव आ जाता है तो वहां पे बहुत सारी पेन होती है. In this case, a person cannot move the affected part on his own and undergoes a lot of pain. The person which is having a stretch muscles or tearing muscles, he or she cannot move that affected part, and there is a lot of pain over that area, over the affected area. So what to do in this case? Apply some ice cube on the injured part to reduce swelling. कि वहां पे कोई swelling ना आए, उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ice cube apply कर सकते हैं. Apply some ice cube on the injured part to reduce swelling. Wrap the crepe bandage around the area to prevent movement. We can tie a bandage, कोई भी कपड़ा या बैंडेज हम वहां पे उसको टाई कर सकते हैं. सो रैप अ क्रेप bandage around the area to prevent movement, because when we do movement, we will there will be a pain over that affected area. So tie that area with the help of a bandage, or wrap a bandage over the affected area, so that the movement can be prevented, to prevent any type of movement. First aid for fracture. If there is a fracture in a bone, a fracture is a broken or cracked bone. If by accident any bone is cracked or broken, that is known as fracture. It is painful condition and the patient cannot move the fractured area. Swelling may also occur. जो पर्टिकुलर एरिया है वो वहां से swelling आ जाती है, फूल जाता है. If there is a fracture in the bone, lots of pain will be there. It is a very painful condition. What to do? Do not move the injured person too much. Use splints to provide support to the broken bones. What is splint? A strip of rigid material used for supporting a broken bone after it is set. Okay, it is a very hard material. The bone is broken, doctor use that splint to support the broken bone. एक हार्ड मटेरियल होता है जो बोन के साथ में लगा दिया जाता है ताकि जो ब्रोकन बोन है उसको सपोर्ट मिल सके. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज स्प्लिंट. अ स्ट्रिप ऑफ रिजिड मटेरियल, जिस तरह से प्लास्टर वगैरह जो होता है वो हम प्रोवाइड करवा सकते हैं. A strip of rigid material used for supporting a broken bone after it is set, that is splint. Use splint to provide support to broken bones. A sling, which is a rectangular piece of cloth, can also be used to provide support to the broken arm. Okay, if a bone is broken, we can use a piece of cloth, a triangular piece of cloth, to give additional support to the broken bone. Do not massage the affected area or try to straighten the broken bone. Do not try to straighten the broken bone. Get medical assistance as soon as possible. So bring the patient to the nearest hospital so that medical treatment can be given as soon as possible, because we cannot treat the broken bone at home. Only the doctor can do the treatment. Orthopedic doctors are there. Orthopedic doctor are the doctors which treat the broken bone. हड्डियों के जो डॉक्टर होते हैं ऑर्थोपेडिक डॉक्टर उनको बोलते हैं, उनके पास जाना चाहिए. Next is the first aid for snake bites. If accidentally snake bite any person and there is a poison in a snake bite, that poison goes into the body and causes a lot of pain and swelling. Okay, so what to do in this case? When a poisonous snake bites anyone, the poison goes into the body and causes a lot of pain and swelling. There will be a swelling and there will be a pain because that poison will enter into the blood. It enter the blood and spread to all part of the body. Snake bites can also be fatal. Fatal means causing death. The snake bite can be very fatal. can be fatal, causing death. Snake bite can also be fatal. It can cause death. What to do? Wash the bitten area with soap and water. First of all, we can clean that area. Keep the area slightly elevated and apply a firm wet bandage 2, 3, 4 inch above the bitten area to prevent the venom from spreading. Venom means a poisonous substance secreted by the animals such as snakes, spiders, etc. That is venom. So we can tie 2 to 4 inch above the bitten area with the help of any bandage. किसी भी कपड़े के साथ हम 2 से 4 इंच ऊपर जहाँ पे स्नेक्स ने बाइट किया है उसको टाइटली हम उसको टाई करेंगे, बांध देंगे उसको, ताकि जो वेनम है वो बॉडी के अंदर स्प्रेड ना हो सके. टेक द विक्टिम टू अ डॉक्टर इमीडिएटली or an anti-venom injection. In the hospital, doctor will give anti-venom injection. So take the victim to a doctor immediately for an anti-venom injection. So that are the first aid which we can give to the person which is bitten by snakes. The next first aid is first aid for insect bite and sting. If insect bite a person or sting is there, what we will do? Bees, wasp, spiders, etc. are insect that sting. When they bite a person, they will inject some chemical into the body and there will be swelling, there will be lots of pain over that area. So bees, wasps, spiders, etc. are insect that sting. Some people develop a severe allergic reaction to an insect sting. There will be some allergy or swelling over that area when any bees, wasps, spiders bite the or sting a person. What to do? Remove the sting using a pair of tweezers or a straight edged object. Tweezer. What is tweezer? Look at the diagram. Using a tweezer to remove sting. कि जो कांटा जो छोड़ते हैं, कोई भी मधुमक्खी है या कोई भी वैस्प या स्पाइडर है, जब कट करते हैं तो वो एक तरह का कांटा स्किन के अंदर छोड़ देते हैं, तो स्टिंग को हम निकाल सकते हैं यूजिंग अ ट्वीजर. यू कैन सी द ट्वीजर इन योर डायग्राम. और अ स्ट्रेट एज्ड ऑब्जेक्ट, स्ट्रेट एज ऑब्जेक्ट जिस तरह से हमारी निडल होती है, निडल की हेल्प से भी हम उस कांटे को निकाल सकते हैं. वॉश द एरिया thoroughly with soap and water. Place ice cube wrapped in a cloth on the affected area. We can take some ice cube in a cloth and place that over the affected area. Repeat the procedure for about 10 minutes to reduce pain. We can repeat this activity for 10 minutes, about 10 minutes. It will reduce pain. Place some ice cube, wrap that ice cube in a cloth on the affected area and repeat this procedure about 10 minutes. This will reduce some pain. Apply a gentle cream to reduce itching. If itching is there, we can apply some anti-itching cream which reduce the itching. So these are some steps which we will do in case of insect bites or and stings. Next is first aid for animal bite. Animal like dog, monkey, cats. Bite. Some germs there can be a deadly disease. known as rabies. Rabies is a very deadly disease. So what should we do in case of animal bites? So let's read. Animal like dogs, monkeys, bats, etc. contains germs in their saliva. They are having some kind of germs, bacteria in their saliva. When these animal bite the person, the saliva is released into the skin of the victim, causing a deadly disease called rabies. Rabies is a deadly disease. Thus, it's important to treat animal bites immediately. So we should consult to the doctor in case of animal bite. What to do? To stop bleeding, press a cotton wool on the wounded area. If bleeding is there, put some cotton and press that wounded area. अगर कहीं पे ब्लीडिंग है तो कॉटन जो होती है उसकी हेल्प से या कोई कपड़ा होगा तो उसकी हेल्प से हम उसको प्रेस करके रखेंगे. Wash the wounds with soap and water to remove saliva. So first of all we will wash that affected area. जो भी घाव है उसको साफ करना है soap water के साथ. The victim should be taken to doctor immediately to take an anti-rabies injection. तो जिसको भी किसी डॉग या मंकी या कैट किसी ने उसको काटा है तो उसको डॉक्टर के पास लेके हम जाएंगे ताकि वहां पे एंटी रेबीज इंजेक्शन को लगाई जा सके. Do you know rabies is almost always fatal once symptom appear? Hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means fear of water. तो अगर रेबीज हो जाती है तो उसमें वाटर से डर लगने जैसी कंडीशन हो जाएगी. हाइड्रोफोबिया इज यूजुअली द फर्स्ट साइन ऑफ द डिजीज. तो पता कैसे लगेगा कि इस तरह की इसको डिजीज रेबीज हो चुकी है? तो उसको वाटर से डर लगेगा. फियर ऑफ वाटर. हाइड्रोफोबिया इज यूजुअली द फर्स्ट साइन ऑफ द डिजीज नोन एज रेबीज. ये सबसे पहला सिम्टम्स वहां पे आता है. नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट एड फॉर poisoning. If any person accidentally eat some poison, so what to do? Certain things in our house are poisonous. घर के अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें poisonous होती हैं. बहुत सारे chemicals होते हैं जो खेतों में यूज होते हैं, they are poisonous. कुछ टैबलेट्स होती हैं जो हम अपने ग्रेन्स के अंदर रखते हैं, गेहूं के अंदर, ताकि उसके अंदर वो रोडेंट्स ना हो सके, वो भी काफी पॉइजनस होते हैं. सो बच्चों को हमेशा उनसे दूर रहना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेल पॉलिश, naphthalene balls, paints, detergents, and some medicines. These are poisonous. Typical symptoms include blur vision. So, what is the first symptom after eating any poison? Is the blur visions. दिखना बहुत कम हो जाता है, धुंधला दिखाई देना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Difficulty in breathing, low blood pressure, and fever. These are some of the symptoms of poisoning. So what to do? In case of any kind of poisoning, try to make the victim vomit. हमें सबसे पहले काम कराना है कि जो विक्टिम है वो वोमिट करे. उल्टी अगर उसको हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Then take the victim to the doctor immediately. तुरंत से डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना है. So student, these are some of the first aid. The topic is first aid. So different kind of first aid can be given for the different situation, different emergency situation. Okay, so let us do. You have to do this activity. Write the name of the following poisonous things which you may find in your home. Poisonous thing: nail polish, paint, some chemical, spray chemical are there, some medicines are there, rat killer मीन्स ब्लैक हीट, काला हीट होता है घर पे. ये हमारे पास मॉस्किटोज कोयल है, ठीक है, कछुआ छाप अगरबत्ती जिसको बोलते हैं. तो ये इस तरह से ये सारे पॉइजनस सब्सटेंसेस हैं. सो इनसे दूर रहना चाहिए बच्चों को. सो मैच द फॉलोइंग. यू विल डू दिस आंसर, टाइम टू आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट what we have done. So student, First aid is the immediate help to the injured person. First aid for burn, if any type of burn is there by heat, flame, fire, electricity, steam. Wash that burnt area under cold running water. Apply some ointment. Burn from chemical. What to do? Wash the area thoroughly with water and do not cover it with anything. First aid for cut and wounds. Wash your hand with soap and water before giving first aid to the injured person. Clean the wound with water and an antiseptic like Dettol, Savlon. Then apply some antibiotic ointment. Antibiotic ointment. First aid in case of nose bleeding. So what to do? Nose bleeding is very common during the hot and dry days. So ask the person to sit straight with the head tilted backward. जो बिल्कुल सीधे बैठ जाएं और जो हेड है उसको थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ रखें. ओके. द पर्सन ब्रीथ थ्रू हिज माउथ. नोज से ब्रीदिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए, माउथ से करनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट एड फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक. इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक के लिए क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले कोई भी जो स्विच है उसको स्विच ऑफ करना है. देन रिमूव द पर्सन फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ करंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ वुडन स्टिक. ओके. अटेंड द विक्टिम एंड चेक फॉर ब्रीदिंग. First aid for sprain, muscle pains or joint pain is there. So what to do? Apply some ice cube on the injured part to reduce swelling. Then wrap a bandage around the area to prevent movement. Then first aid for fracture. What to do in case of a fracture? If fracture is there, there will be swelling, there will be a pain. If crack in a bone or broken bone is there, what to do? Do not move the injured person too much. Provide some support to the broken bones and then do not massage the affected area. Get medical assistance as soon as possible. First aid for snake bite. When poisonous snake bite anyone, the poison goes into the body and cause a lot of pain and swelling. And that snake bite can also be fatal. Death causing situation can be there. What to do? Wash the bitten area with soap and water and keep the area tightly elevated. थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ उसको रखना है and tie a wet bandage 2 to 4 inch above the bitten area to prevent the venom for spreading. Venom means जो poison है, जो जहर है उसको spread करने से रोका जा सकता है. Then take the victim immediately to the doctor for anti-venom injection. First aid for insect bite and stings. Bees, wasp, spider are insect that can sting. So remove the sting using a pair of tweezer. ये इस तरह की जो छोटी सी जो चिमटी होती है उससे हम उसको जो काटा है वो निकाल सकते हैं. Wash the area thoroughly with soap and water. Place ice cube wrapped in a cloth on the affected area and repeat this procedure about 10 minutes. The pain will be reduced. Then apply some gentle cream to reduce itching. First aid for animal bites. If any animal like dog, monkey, cat, bats, they contain certain germs in their saliva. And when the saliva enter into our bodies, there can be a disease called rabies. Rabies is a very deadly disease. So what to do to stop bleeding? Press a cotton wool on the wound and wash the wound with soap and water to remove saliva. Victim should be taken to the doctor immediately to take an anti-rabies injection. First aid for poisoning. Accidentally any person consume any type of poison. So what to do? In case of any kind of poison, try to make the victim vomit. जो भी विक्टिम है उसको कोशिश करवानी चाहिए कि उसकी वोमिटिंग हो जाए, उल्टी पड़ जाए उसको, ताकि वो जो पॉइजन्स है वो वोमिट के थ्रू बाहर निकल जाए बॉडी से. Then take the victim to the doctor immediately. So student, these are the topic for today. Hope you get this explanation. If any doubt is there, you can ask your question one by one. Yes, Prita ma'am, if any student wants to ask any question, so you may raise your hand first. Yes, student, any doubt is there? Any question you want to ask?